So we're over here at Red Horse Motoring Club. We're gonna head inside. We're gonna check out this 1967 Maserati GHIBLI. It has been in a garage for more than 40 years with original paint. We're gonna put the polishers on this thing and bring clarity back to whatever's left. Hopefully gloss it up a little bit. Welcome to Red Horse Motoring Club. Alright, so we're here with the Maserati. This is a 67 that's been in the garage for 45 plus years. There is not much paint left on this at all. The paint throughout the rest of the car looks pretty good, and it'll probably gloss up really nicely. Unfortunately, the front of it is just too roasted out to be able to bring back. So the first thing we're going to do is go around the car with the paint depth gauge. We're going to get our depth report, see how much material we're working with so we know what products and what pads to pair our machine polishers with so we don't take the paint too far. So the numbers we're seeing here are indicative of single stage. It's pretty low in some areas, like as we get lower on the car, like here, look, we're getting to 10, 9, 8, and then up here it reads closer to 20. The idea here is to just cut some oxidization off, bring some gloss back to the paint. We obviously can't fully correct this, so the only thing we can do is jazz it a bit. So we're gonna get real jazzy. Alright guys, so the Maserati GHIBLI is done. We came in today, we got here at about 6 o'clock. It's just after 8 o'clock now. We gave a cut across the whole car. We found that a heavy cut compound and a microfiber cutting pad got us the best results. I would have liked to have pushed the paint a little bit more to kind of restore the top end clarity, but it being its age and the amount that the paint is failing all over the car, we don't want to take it too far, but we want to take it to where we can improve its appearance without degrading the structural integrity of what's left on the car. We encountered insane amounts of oxidization, contamination, embedded dirt and iron, flat out. Some of the pads that came back up are going to be unusable after today. It was super dirty. For being a 67, the original paint, this thing has sat in a garage for more than 45 years. I think that based on what we started with versus what we got now is a major, major difference. And overall, like really shows that original paint can live on in the right hands and the right care. So we appreciate you hanging out with us today and visiting Red Horse with us. We hope you'll stick around for more videos in the future. Let us know if we can help you with your next project. We'll catch you later.